In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a mirror column in automations when using Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline and integrate data from different boards without duplicating efforts, then mirror columns can be a great tool. Let's dive right in to explore how you can set up and use them effectively in your workflows. First, to create a mirror column, you'll need to open the board where you want the mirrored data to appear. Once you're on the board, look towards the right-hand side where you'll find a plus icon. Clicking this will allow you to add a new column to your board. From the list of options, select Mirror Column. Now it's crucial to link this mirror column to a connected boards column that you've already set up, or create a new one if needed. Once your boards are connected, you can select which specific column from the other board you wish to mirror onto your current board. Now that you have your mirror column set up, it's important to understand its role in automations. One of the limitations is that mirror columns cannot be used as direct triggers in automations. For example, they cannot initiate actions like when mirror column changes, do something. However, these columns can be involved in automation conditions or actions, provided the mirrored data type is supported by the system. Let's move on to building automations with mirror columns. Begin by heading over to your board's automation center. Here, you'll want to select an automation recipe that is compatible with the data type of your mirror column. For instance, you can set up an automation that notifies someone when a status changes to done. If your mirror column reflects a status column, you can integrate that status into your automation. During setup, ensure to map the mirrored field if the recipe supports mirrored fields. Now, a quick tip: if your mirror column isn't being recognized in the automation, you can try creating the automation on the source board, which is where the original data resides. Alternatively, consider a combination of automations and connected boards to push updates seamlessly to the mirrored board. After configuring your automations, it's time to test the workflow. Modify a value within the original board, say marking a task as done. Then verify if this change appears in the mirrored column. Following this, check if the automation on your current board is triggered as expected. As you get comfortable using mirror columns, remember to scale and customize them according to your needs. You can utilize multiple mirror columns to track essential data points across numerous projects. Combining these with cross-board automations can enhance your workflow efficiency significantly. Keep in mind the mirror column serves best as a reference tool, while most triggers should ideally be managed by the original board. By mastering these steps, you'll be able to use mirror columns and automations in Monday.com to their full potential, enhancing your project management efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this